Mint leaves are a popular ingredient in many foods and drinks. They are commonly used to add flavor and to make food more refreshing. In addition to their culinary uses, mint leaves can also provide a wide range of health benefits when consumed as a food supplement. In this video, we list 12 health benefits of consuming mint leaves that you should know about. So, keep watching till to end. Mint leaves are rich in antioxidants which scavenge free radicals and help to protect cells from damage. One of the most popular health benefits of mint leaves is their ability to help protect cells from damage. Mint leaves are rich in antioxidants which scavenge free radicals and help to protect cells from damage. Free radicals are created when the body breaks down food or when it encounters environmental toxins. These free radicals can damage cells, leading to diseases like cancer. Antioxidants fight against free radicals and help to protect cells from damage. Mint leaves are especially rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and lignans. These antioxidants have been shown to scavenge free radicals and help to protect cells from damage. Additionally, mint leaves are a good source of fiber which helps to keep you feeling full longer and helps to reduce the risk of obesity and other chronic diseases. Mint leaves also contain terpenes, flavonoids, and other phytonutrients that work synergistically to promote overall health. Mint leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Mint leaves are a popular herb that is used for a variety of purposes, one of which is to improve the health of the body. Mint leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. When it comes to heart disease, mint leaves have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. This means that they can help reduce the risk of developing heart disease in the first place. In addition, mint leaves have been shown to decrease the severity of heart attacks and improve blood flow to the heart. Mint leaves can also help reduce the risk of developing cancer. This is because they contain compounds that can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, mint leaves can reduce the symptoms of cancer and help to speed up the recovery process after surgery. Mint leaves are a good source of vitamins A, C, E, potassium, magnesium, and copper. They also contain quercetin, which has been shown to have many health benefits. Mint leaves can help reduce inflammation in the body. One of the main benefits of mint leaves is that they can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a response to any infection or injury, and it can be harmful to the body. It can cause swelling, pain, and even death. Mint leaves can help to reduce inflammation by affecting different cells in the body. They contain compounds that can irritate the cells and make them less resistant to infection or injury. This reduces the amount of inflammation in the body and helps to protect it from harmful effects. If you are looking for a healthy addition to your diet that can help reduce inflammation and improve your health overall, consider adding mint leaves to your meals. Mint leaves can help reduce cholesterol levels in the blood. One of the most important benefits of mint leaves is that they can help reduce cholesterol levels in the blood. Mint leaves contain high levels of hydroxycinnamic acid, HCA, which is a type of compound that can help to reduce cholesterol levels. HCA is also a powerful antioxidant. If you are looking to reduce your cholesterol levels, adding mint leaves to your diet may be a good way to do it. They are simple to add and they have many benefits that you may find helpful. Mint leaves improve digestion. Mint leaves are a great way to improve digestion. They contain natural digestive enzymes that help break down food into smaller pieces. This helps to improve the absorption of nutrients and reduce gas and bloating. And it also helps to clean out the intestines. Mint leaves are also good for relieving pain and inflammation in the digestive system. They contain analgesic properties that help to reduce pain and inflammation in the stomach and intestine. Overall, mint leaves are a great addition to your diet for improved digestion and overall health. Mint leaves are good for improving heart health. Mint leaves are a popular choice for improving heart health. They contain compounds that can improve the flow of blood and reduce the risk of heart disease. Mint leaves are a good source of magnesium, which is essential for maintaining heart health. Magnesium helps to reduce the risk of heart disease by helping to prevent blood clots and lowering blood pressure. Studies have shown that people who eat mint leaves regularly have a lower risk of heart attack and stroke. Mint leaves are a good source of fiber. They have a high concentration of soluble fiber, which helps to regulate the digestion and absorption of food. This is particularly beneficial if you are looking to lose weight or improve your digestive health. Additionally, mint leaves are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, magnesium, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients help to maintain overall health and can help to fight against various diseases. Mint leaves can improve blood sugar balance. Mint leaves have numerous health benefits, one of which is improving blood sugar balance. If you eat mint leaves, they enter your bloodstream and start to break down the complex carbohydrate in the leaf into simple sugars. This helps to improve blood sugar levels because it increases the amount of insulin that is released by the pancreas. Mint leaves can help reduce anxiety and stress levels. Mint leaves are a popular ingredient in many tea and mint-based products. They have been used for centuries to reduce anxiety and stress levels. Mint leaves contain a variety of chemicals, including menthol, which work to reduce inflammation and tension in the mind and body. When taken regularly, mint leaves can help to improve moods, focus, and energy levels. If you're looking for a supplement that has a wide range of benefits, mint leaves are an excellent choice. Mint leaves help to protect the skin from damage. Mint leaves are a type of leaf that is often used in herbal remedies. They are most commonly known for their ability to protect the skin from damage. It contains a variety of antioxidants that help to fight free radicals and prevent skin damage. Mint leaves can also be used as a mask to cleanse the skin, remove oil and makeup, and soothe the skin. Mint leaves are a natural thirst quencher and can help to reduce the symptoms of dehydration. If you're feeling thirsty and want to drink something that's going to help reduce the symptoms of dehydration, try drinking a cup of mint leaves. Mint leaves are a natural thirst quencher and can help to reduce the symptoms of dehydration. They work by binding with water in the stomach and intestines, so it takes longer for the body to absorb liquids. This slows down the rate at which the stomach empties, which can help to reduce the symptoms of dehydration. If you are looking for a healthier way to drink your beverages, then adding mint leaves to your diet is a great option. Mints are a great way to reduce the stench from your breath. Mints contain menthol, which has a cooling effect on the throat and airways. This helps to fight off odor and bad breath. If you're looking for a quick way to improve your breath, mints are a great option. If you eat mint leaves regularly, they can help you to improve your overall oral health and protect your teeth from decay. By using mint leaves, you'll be able to smell better and avoid having to smell bad breath in the future. Overall, mint leaves are a great addition to your diet for many reasons. They can help you lose weight, lower cholesterol levels, improve your digestion, boost your immune system, and ease symptoms of anxiety and depression. If you're looking to create a balanced and healthy diet that includes plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, adding mint leaves to your rotation is a great way to do it.